welcome in to another woolly review. Today we have James.Lady.bird Mega Multi. Now this was purchased originally for £1. I haven't been able to find it that cheap, but I have found it for £2.87 on the Woolly Jumper, which will be linked down below. But we're here to give it a review. We're not looking at the colour itself. We're working on what it feels like and how it works. There's 52 metres in this, 100-gram skein, and you're to use 10mm needles. And this is in the shade MMO4. Okay. So I'm actually going to put my personalised hook away. No! But, you know, Jelina's linked down below. She's the artist. I gave her an idea. She turned it into a hook. And she can do the same for you for a really, really good price. But that's down to you. How does this feel? It feels chunky. It's got a nice sheen on it. Very, very fluffy, which does worry me for frogging. But let's find out. Okay. So we're not here to discuss my awful techniques with crochet. We are here literally just to see how it works. So I am now using my Knit Pro 9mm. I think that's enough for a chunky, don't you? I normally do 12, but heck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, heck it, 2 more. I mean, this is a super chunky, not a chunky, but I'm sure you know what I mean, even when I don't know what I mean. So I'm going to go one of those, then I'm going to go one of those, and one of those, and oh my gosh, we've got a visitor. Hi. Do you mind? Clearly not. Now nobody can see a thing because black cat. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Beans. Can you sit down, please? I'd really appreciate it if you could. Thank you. I appreciate that. Now we have her tail, but heck, she's out from under the camera. Okay. Yes, my sweet. Oh, I know. We'll get cuddles in a minute. You've got to let me finish though. You watching? I'm doing a review. If you want to give your opinion, by all means speak up. This does feel nice in the fingers. And heck yes, it's definitely chunky. It is very silky with its feeling. Please don't attack my what? Oh my gosh, we're going to have one of those days, are we? Really? Are we? Are we? No, please don't. Beans. I'm trying to do a review here, please. This is supposed to be given in a giveaway, so you pouring it is not going to help, is it? Say no, Lisa. No, Lisa. Thank goodness. We're almost at the end. Okay. So yeah, it feels okay. On the hook itself, it comes off quite well. It's not squeaking. It's not gripping. It's gliding well. Generally speaking, I'm not a huge fan of James.Lady.bird because I haven't come across any that I particularly like. But this doesn't feel too bad. If it was blue, like plain blue, I might even be really liking it. So, how does it feel? Not too bad, not too bad. It feels a little bit, ever so slightly itchy. There isn't any wool in it, is there? No, just 100% premium acrylic. But it's almost got that woolly texture to it. It's ever so slightly on the itchy side, but it's very, very soft. Okay, let's try not to get the cat caught up. What's it like with the frog? Silky. Not bad. Pretty good. And no splittage. Not much of a kink. I would say that was a plus. Now, I have seen this worked up, and personally speaking, I'm not keen on how it's worked up, but I've only seen it worked up with crochet. It may well be completely different with knitting, as most things are, but what do I give it? Well, would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be really disappointed that that's the only thing there is? No. Would I be quite happy if I got my mitts on it for a good price? Thanks, Beany. Appreciate it. Can you please move? Because I'm just wanting to finish up. Please. Please. Oh my gosh. She just wants the chair. That's all she was after. She just wants the chair. Well, yeah, but I think I would happily go with a 4 out of 5 ladybirds. I don't know what Beany is doing. Why are you going round and round in circles? You just want to sit on my hook. Well, that's really appreciated. Thanks, Bean. Anyway, this has been my review. £3 a skein. Might be pushing it a little bit too far to go for the 5 ladybirds. But even though 2 of the ladybirds are hidden under the bean, I'm giving this a 4 out of 5. It's soft. I would wear it, not for too long. For a really good price, if it was the right colour, yes, I would grab it. Pretty good. If this has been of any use whatsoever to you, please give a thumbs up maybe. Or maybe you might even stretch to a subscribe down below. I don't know what Beany's doing. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Can you remove the butt, please? Oh, for heaven's sake. Gee willikers. Okay, anyway, now you can see there are more ladybirds. Let's bring that along a little bit. But yes, please like, subscribe maybe down below for more woolly reviews from the UK and tutorials, little hauls when I can get them, giveaways, of course. They're happening all the time, multiple times a month. Maybe I'll see you on the streets. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.